as it's progressing. Kev's still got clad this side of it. It's got the electric roller door on it now. The T4 fits in, so that's a bonus. There's a Golf that got us up to Volkswagen Action, down to Volkswagen Action, down and back up, no problem at all. There's the other side, as you can see, the cladding's going there. Security door. So it's all looking pretty smart. He's getting there with that. The T4 was round in a neighbour's garden. Well, it was all getting resurfaced. So the T4 used to be there, but now it's here. It's been a few weeks since I made the video because, again, had to move it for it getting resurfaced. We were waiting for Volkswagen Action, etc, etc. So give a wee update kind of thing. Here is where I'm at with that. So new wings welded in. I'm going to cut out the cross member, but I've not got the body cut yet. But I know I have a donor van that I will get the body cut from, so I'm going to do that. I've got some wee rusty bits coming through where obviously I've missed it, so I'm going to catch all these. Try and get the outer wing on some point soon. I've got the weld on ones which I'm going to try and convert to bolt on. This is pretty much finished in here now. Still got some welds to tidy up. They went a wee bit rusty because I've not been at them. So I'm going to get that. On the underside of the wheel well, I've still got that bit arch to do on the inner. There's that one wee hole and a couple of wee weld bits to do. But that's pretty much this side done. On the inside, it's a total shit tip like, but let's wait to see. Very messy. That's me emptied some stuff out. The floor's all basically welded. I've got a few wee patches to do, nothing serious. All this major work's done. So most of my work now is going to be over in this other corner. So I'm going to try and get that outer wing off today. That's going to be my plan today. Here's the outer wing on the passenger side. To get it off, it's just going to be undo the spot welds like I've done on the other side before. There's quite a few. You've got to take the headlight out and stuff like that. It's a bit of pain, but needs must. You could see it's had work before because that's not meant to be like that. It's been catalloyed or something. Brought in. It doesn't seem. I'll put the light on. It doesn't. That's under the A pillar. There's a big hole, but it's not. Doesn't seem near as bad as the other side here. But we'll just wait till I start poking about. The C pillars, the B pillar's gone at the bottom. I knew that already. For working on the sliding doorstep, I knew that bit was going. I'll probably hate to take the fuel tank out when I'm working on this bit though, because it's mighty close. This bit has the step. This all seems to be original, unlike the other side, so I think it'll be easier to patch, to repair anyway. I have all the repair panels for this, so it's not a problem. So that's where I'm at today. Go get this outer wing off and just get all this bit cleaned up. Right, I've got the 5 spot welds split, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got them split. We'll take the headlight and indicator out now to get into the ones at the bottom. There is the headlight taken out, and because I've already had a repair done by a previous owner in here. It just appears to be tacked on here at the bottom, and I don't see any anywhere else along the bottom, so I'm just going to cut that tack out just now, and hopefully the wing will be able to, oh wait, still has its original spot welds here, so I'll drill them out, and hopefully the wing will flap out the way. Check out this cool spider that's come to visit. There are the 3 spot welds out. I had to cut the front off the wing to get into the wee spot tack that was in there. That's the wing loose now. I'm going to have to take the door off to get into these ones that are in here, and the wing will just come off. There's the passenger door off, which lets me get into the bit here. Get all this cut out. The annoying to get it unspot welded, and the wing should just fall off from there. Let's see what lies beneath. Right, I have the wing ready to be removed. The only thing that's holding on is this G-clamp, so let's take this off and see what lies beneath the grand unveiling, if you like, live unveiling. See how much of a garden. The other side wasn't bad, it was just rust, but I quite expect this side to be rough. So let's get it off. Already I can see stuff dripping out the bottom. Well, not that bad. I actually expected it to be way worse. When we were at Volkswagen Action, the guys that have the grills, kind of like the 4 slits coming up here, you can actually see like moss. It's like actual garden growing in here. I have a little bit there. Mine's just rust. moss like new metal. Right, so pretty fucked. I'm gonna have a wee assess at how bad this is. Oh, where to begin? This is my repair piece, which you can see is solid here where I need it to be. This as well. This not. That needs repaired itself. But that's minor compared to this, which is alright. So my plan is to remove this, keep this, maybe cut it down here and swap this bit out with the bit for the repair panel, and swap this from the repair panel, which will give me all this from the repair panel. Then all this I'll replace, because as you can see it's all rotten as well, so I'll replace that with the outer. When I've got the outer off, I'll see if I need to do the inner. So first thing I'm going to do, I think, is get all kind of cleaned up and get this bit drilled out and removed for now. I've got all those spot welds separated, so I'm going to grind up here and along here and up the wee bit there, and hopefully that bit will just come out. There's the inner. The outer state too back. Apparently they all have this bit of insulation. Don't have it on the driver's side, but everyone's got it on the passenger side apparently, which is known as just a sponge. Pretty pointless. there's been some kind of repair on the other side, so that's what, so it's going to need an inner and an outer on this. Pretty shitty. It's going to need the inner here as well. So, great fun.